Suddenly you feel like you're the ambassador for off-roading and overlanding now just because you bought yourself a roof rack and got yourself bigger tires. And you grew out a beard and wear a baseball cap now. And you no longer have any sense of fashion or taking a shower in 3 days. You learned everything there is to know about off-roading by watching Scotty Kilmer. You know who you are. You're one of those that follow the Tampa Bay Buccaneers now because Tom Brady jumped over there just because he needed the money. The second phase is going through the motions of what 4x4 dudes do. We like to feel the flex and articulation of our suspension system. I'm flexing, I need a scout here. I'm flexing. I'm articulating. I'm flexing. Here goes. Fuck yeah, I just flexed. Then you realize one day all your friends are picking up GX 460s because they don't want to be left behind. Now all of a sudden you're the resident expert because you bought the GX first. Dude, where are you? Man, you know you gotta air down first, right? Air down? Those Nike shoes for people with Down syndrome? No, man, if you drive over rock, mud, sand, or slow, you gotta lower the PSI in each of your tires. So why do people air down their tires when they do some off-roading? I know you guys can go ahead and Google this and you guys probably get a better deep dive answer than what I can ever give you, but I'm gonna give you the short story of it. There's gonna be several reasons. Okay, whenever you're riding on rocks, mud, sand, or snow, airing down is going to widen the traction of your tires onto the surface. Also, when you air down, you're going to have a more comfortable ride because all the bumps that you're going to hit are going to be absorbed into the tires rather than bouncing around all over the place, feeling every single rock. And you also reduce the risk of punctures on your tires because now the tires can actually flex around all the obstacles it's riding over. Introducing All-Stop, the automatic tire deflator. God damn it. Let's go ahead and open up this box of awesomeness. I'm expecting 4 tire deflators here, and we have 4 very nice polished black tire deflators. Okay, let me, oh, here you go. You have a nice carrying bag. Look what's in here. You have instruction manual. And oh, nice, look at this, huh? Black polished valve stem caps, very nice. I didn't know it came with this. Let's put this all back here. And let's check out the hero of the product here. Let's take out one for each tire. So if you take a look, this is the body, and you have 2 screws. You have the end screw right here, which adjusts to the PSI you want. The PSI levels are right there, marked right there. And the middle screw right here is your locking mechanism, so it locks into place, so this doesn't move on you. Okay? And right here is the activator. Once you screw this into place, nothing happens until you pull this out. Just pull it out once, and it'll start to deflate. If you change your mind, all you have to do is push it back in, and it'll shut off the valve for you. So right now, I know my tires are at about 32 PSI. Let's bring it down 10 PSI. So right here, if you take a look closely, I can see 20, 25, 30, and I see little increments in the middle with threads. Let's go ahead and put it at 20 mark. I got it a little over 20. Okay, I'm going to take my middle screw and I'm going to lock it into place. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do that for the rest of all these valve deflators here. 20, a little over 20 right there. Oops. Just barely covering the number 20, locking into place, so I know I'm going to release 10 PSI down. Okay, let's go ahead and go to my tires and start. I already removed the valve cap. I'm going to go ahead and twist this on. Okay, twist it on all the way. Okay. Now while that is deflating to 20 psi, we're going to go to the next one. Turn it in. I can hear it going.
Five minutes later.
So as you can tell, my tires look deflated. We are going to go ahead and remove this and check with our PSI tire gauge here to see if it indeed went to about 20, 21, 22 PSI, okay? Because I had it right above the 20 mark. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. You know it's done because you don't hear any more air coming out. Okay, I'm gonna grab my trusty tire gauge right here. I'm gonna go ahead and puncture this. Let's go ahead and flip this around to look at the PSI. And as you can see right here, it is about 22 PSI. Not too shabby. It went down 10 PSI just by using that tire deflator. And it was pretty accurate. I already assumed it was gonna be a little above 20 PSI. Well, there you guys have it. The automatic tire deflator works pretty good. Built of really, really good quality material. Let's go ahead and put all of these inside our little baggie, because we're not going to keep it inside of this flimsy box with its plastic inserts here. We're going to zip this up, and we are going to keep this in a very safe place until our next trip to another high school parking lot.